Hello everyone, this is Dr. Mihir Shah once again with another video. In this video, we are going to discuss the most important theory question that you need to study under the subject stress management. Again, a very important video for all the TYBMS Sem V, who have opted for HR, a very important subject known as stress management. So we're going to discuss module wise what are the most important long answers that you need to cover up, and also a list of short notes that are very important from the exam point of view. So chalo, let us go one by one and try to find out from each module what are the most important questions that you need to cover up. So under module number 1, you have explain the consequences of stress. Next, explain the scenario of stress in workplace or explain the work stress model. Next, what are the various types of stress? Okay, these are all important questions. Okay, explain the features of stress. Next, we have elaborate on the potential sources of stress. Next, we have distinguish between stress and burnout. Next, distinguish between stress and stressors. And lastly, explain the impact of stress. So these are all important topics from module 1. You can go through it once. Okay, next module number 2, what are the approaches of time management? Explain the techniques of relaxation. Explain in brief the prerequisite of stress-free life. Next we have what are the benefits of stress management. Next we have explain the term anxiety and discuss the mechanism to cope up with anxiety. Next, explain how an organization manages stress of the employee. Next, explain the importance of time management. And lastly, explain the different types of disorders. Okay, so these are all the important topics that you need to cover up under module 2. You all can note it down once. Okay, next module 3, explain in brief the measurement of stress reaction. Discuss the models of stress management. Explain stress prevention mechanism. Next we have what is the importance of meditation. Explain in detail the stages of GAS, that is generalized adaptation syndrome. Elaborate on the primary, secondary and tertiary level of stress management interventions, very important answer. And describe the importance of pranayam and mantras in stress control. Again, very important from the exam point of view. Okay, I'll note down it. Okay, next is module number 4. Explain the benefits of stress management therapy. Explain stress audit process. What are the methods of assessment of stress? Explain the futuristic approach of stress management. Explain the factors affecting eustress. Explain mindful and biofeedback as a technique of stress management, mindfulness, and explain the role of yoga in organization. So these are all important topics from module 4. You all can note it down once. Okay. These are the set of short notes that you need to cover. Number 1, stress versus stressors, signs and symptoms of burnout, gas, stress counseling, factors affecting eustress, burnout, eustress. So again, you can have a short note on these two base. So these are the first set. There are only 2 sets. So these are the first set of important short notes that you need to cover up. See, others short note that can come can be anything. Like they can compare stress with technology, stress with relaxation, stress with any other direction. You can compare with any other things. Okay, that also kind of question can come. Next, transactional model, distress, relaxation technique, consequences of stress. Okay, prerequisites of stress-free life, stress monitor, features of stress, and stress counseling. So majority of the answers are again repeated from the long answers only. Okay, only few here and there are different, but otherwise all from the long answers it can come. Okay, so these are all the long important answers that you need to cover up, the long and short answers that you need to cover up under this subject. So I hope everyone has noted it down. With that, we will be ending this video here.